In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do custom CSS on Wix website. If you've been wanting a bit more control over your styling than the theme settings allow, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to add your own CSS safely and clearly, right inside Wix Studio. First, open your site in Wix Studio. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. That vertical toolbar is where you add and manage everything on your page. We're going to use it to place a small container that lets us inject code. Open the Add panel and choose Add Element. From the list of element categories, select Embed and Social. This section includes items that let you bring in external content and custom code. Now choose Embed Code. When you see the option to add it, click Add to Site. You'll notice a new embed box appears on your canvas. You can drag it somewhere unobtrusive for now. Its placement won't affect how your CSS works, but keeping it tidy makes future edits easier. Before you type anything, grab the CSS you want to use. Maybe it's in a notes file, a design handoff, or you're writing it from scratch. Make sure your selectors target elements that actually exist on your page. The more specific your selectors are, the less likely you'll accidentally override styles you don't intend to change. If you're not seeing changes later, specificity is often the culprit. Click the embed box and choose Enter Code. A code editor will open. Paste your CSS into the editor. If the editor expects HTML, place your CSS inside style tags so it's interpreted correctly. Keep your rules organized and comment your sections, especially if you plan to maintain this later. Avoid broad wildcard selectors and use by important only when absolutely necessary, as it can make future adjustments harder. When you're ready, click Apply. The editor should refresh the preview and show your new styling right away. Check the elements you targeted to confirm your rules are taking effect. If something didn't change, verify the selector names, inspect for more specific existing rules, and tweak your CSS to be more precise. Also keep in mind that styles can look different across breakpoints, so ensure your CSS accounts for tablet and mobile if needed. That's it. You opened Wix Studio, added an embed code element, brought in your CSS through the code editor, and applied it to the page. With this approach, you can fine-tune typography, spacing, colors, and component states while keeping control in one place for quick updates later.